Everyone. So now in this video lecture, we will deal with rotate and shift instructions of 8086 microprocessor. So let's start with the rotate instructions first. In case of rotate instructions, we have four different instructions: RCL, RCR, ROL, and ROR. Whereas RCL and RCR means you have to rotate the left or right through carry. Okay. Whereas ROL and ROR means rotate towards left or rotate towards right without carry. So let's deal with the first instruction, ROL. ROL means rotate left without carry. Now in this case, if you are rotating the bits towards the left side, then always remember it completely depends on one thing, that is either you have one, that means if there is an instruction that you have to rotate it just once, or you have to check the value of CX register, that is counter register. Now let us suppose the value of CX register is 2, that means you have to rotate this particular data 2 times. Okay, so let us suppose if the value of MSB is 1 and the complete data is 100111010. Okay, we have taken this data. Then how will you rotate it towards the left? See, every bit will move towards its left side one by one, just like this. It will move here, then this here, then this here, and this here. So yeah, the same operation you have to perform, and the MSB will move to the carry flag. Now irrespective of the value of CF may have either 0 or 1. Okay, but irrespective of anything, the MSB will move to the CF, as well as this MSB will move towards the LSB side also. So remember, after first rotation, the value of this particular ROL will be what? Just see, the CF will become 1. Then we have the value as 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so this is the value after first rotation. Remember this thing. But in case if it is asked in the instruction that you have to rotate it 2 times, then you have to again carry on the same process. Now the value of MSB is 0 here, so naturally it will go to the carry flag also. Suppose this is CF, and then every bit will move towards its left side. So now the CF will be 0, and we have the value as 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and at the end we will get 0 because this will move towards the LSB side also. So this will be the final answer after your second rotation. So this is how ROL works. Remember? Now let's see, we will deal with the second, that is ROR. So ROR also goes similar to ROL. That means the way it has performed, the only difference is that it will move towards the right side. So let's just see, if you have the value as 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so what will going to be happen? All the bits will move towards the right side, just like this. And again, since it is rotate right without carry, that means the LSB will move towards the carry flag, but this LSB will move to the MSB also. Remember, okay, this will move here also. The same bit will move to the carry flag, the same bit move towards the MSB. Okay, so same thing is here. Let's check the, first of all, you have to check the value of CX, whether it is 1 or 2. If it is 2, you know you have to rotate it 2 times. Okay, so after first rotation, the result becomes 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. And what will be the value of carry flag? Carry flag becomes 1. So after first rotation, now the value of CF is 1. This is after first rotation. And similarly, if you rotate it second time, again all the bits will move towards its right side. Remember? And again it will move to the CF and also to the MSB. Remember this thing. Now what happens in case of ROL and ROR? These 3 flags are left unchanged and rest of the flags will be changed according to the result. Remember? Now, next instruction is RCL. RCL means rotate left through carry. That means now you will include the bit that is present in the carry flag also. So let us suppose if we have the instruction, if we have the data as 10110010. So what will going to be happen if we say that initially CF is 0? Again, every bit will move towards its left side. Remember, this will move here, then here, similarly. But in case of ROL, what was happened? The MSB moved to CF also and to LSB also. But now, since we are doing RL through carry, that means this carry flag, the bit which is present in the carry flag, will move to the LSB. Remember this thing. This is the only difference. So again, the same thing, you will check the value of CX. If it is 1, then you have to rotate it just once. So after rotation, the result will be, now CF will be 1. Then we have in MSB 0, then 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, and in the LSB the value of carry flag will come. So this is the result after first rotation. Similarly, you can keep on doing, and as many times as it is required in the CX register in the instruction. Done. Now RCL and RCR are again the same thing. The only difference is that in this the bits will move towards the right side. Okay, and remember this thing, the parity flag, sign flag and zero flag are left unchanged. Rest of the flags will change according to the result. Okay, so let's see here. If we have taken the value as 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and we have carry flag as 1. So after first rotation, what will be the answer? The answer will be this carry flag will come here. So MSB will become 1, then 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. And this LSB will move towards the carry flag. That means the value of carry flag will become 0. This is the answer after the first rotation. So you can keep on doing according to the value of CX. That means whatever the instruction is given and whatever the value of CX is given. So keep on rotating just like this. Now next comes to shift instructions. Shift instructions, there are 3 instructions, SAL or SHL. Now remember one thing, SAL and SHL are the same thing, whereas SAR and SHR are 2 different instructions. Let's see how this works. First of all, SHL or SAL, that is shift logical left or shift arithmetic left. Okay, SHL means shift logical and SAL means shift arithmetic left. Now in this case, all the flags are affected. Second thing, you have to make sure how you will shift the instructions here, shift the bits here. First of all, let's see how you will do it. This is the this is MSB. If we have the values as 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, and let us suppose we have the carry flag as 1 here. I'm just taking the opposite so that you can check the changes. Okay, so if initially the carry flag has 1, what will going to be happen? Again here, just check the value of CX register. If it is 2, then that means you have to shift all the bits towards the left side 2 times. Okay, so for the first time, if we are doing it, this is the first rotation. In this case, the value of first of all CF will be what? Let's see. You shifted all the bits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Now, let's see. When you will shift it towards 0, after the first shifting, CF will become first of all 0. That means, remember, all the bits will move towards this side. But in case of SHL or SAL, you will insert a 0 towards the from the left. That means from the least significant bit. Okay, so insert 0. That means now the answer will be you shifted the MSB to the carry flag. Okay, so what will going to be happen? Now the MSB will become 1 1, then 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, and then 1 0 will be inserted here. Remember, now if CX said that you have to do the same process 2 times, then the value of 0 will be what? Let's see. Again, you are just doing it for the second time. So let's see. All the bits will be shifted towards the left side. Okay, so now if you shift this C carry flag here, that means now the CF is 1 and MSB will again become 1 because you will shift this bit towards this side, this bit toward this side. Okay, so it will, the process will go on in the same manner. So now what will, this is shifted towards 1, the carry flag becomes 1, then this is 1, then this is 0, this is 0, 1 0 1 0, and what will going to be happen in the LSB will be inserted 0 again. That means you have to insert 0 here also. Keep on doing this thing till the value of CX does not complete. Okay, that means you have to keep on shifting this till CX becomes 0, because after every shift or after every rotate, the value of CX is decremented by 1. Next is SHR, shift logical right. Now, as I said, SHR and SA are different things, but SHL and SAL are the same things. In this case, all flags are affected. What will you do? In case of SHR, the same process will going to be happen. That means you have to shift all the bits toward the right side and you have to insert the 0 in the MSB. The same process that we have done in SHL. So if in case the answer is this 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so what will going to be happen after first rotation, the result becomes 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, and the carry flag becomes 0. Remember, so this is how SHR works. Next instruction is SAR, shift arithmetic right. This is completely different from SHR or SAL or SHL. Okay, now what happens in case of SAR? First of all, remember all the flags will be affected in this case. Now here how we will shift, if the MSB is 1, then you can keep any bit here, as I'm taking as an example. Okay, so let us suppose this is the example. Now how we will shift here, and remember, as I say, every time you have to keep a check of the CX or the instruction which is given. If it is given in the instruction 1, that means you have to shift it just once, and if in CX register 2 or 3 is given, that means you have to shift it 3 times. So see, everything is same, every bit will be shifted towards the right side, just like this. Okay, and the least significant bit will move to the carry flag. But in this case, you will not insert 0. What you will do, the MSB will remain inserted in MSB only. That means this one will remain here also, this one will shift here also, then it becomes 0 0, then 1 1 0 0. Okay, so this is what the answer is, and the carry flag will become 1. So remember this thing. So this is how SAR works. The MSB will remain the same. For example, if the MSB would have been 0 here, then these two instructions will become 0. I'm sorry, these two bits will become 0. Okay, so you have to just remember this thing. I complete my lecture here only for rotate and shift instructions, and in the next lecture we'll deal with the next topic. Till then, take care.